We'll start with festive collection of Tasar. All are premium quality. As you know the quality regarding Roshni's saris, you know the quality. This is zari border printed Tasar, sari number 1. Definitely all are with silk mark certification, all are Gachi Tasar, and just check the color combination of the sari. It's a beautiful one. It's a pastel shade of green color. This is the body part, entire body with this type of print. Here comes the entire look of the sari, palla, and along with the sari you are getting a blouse piece of the similar color. Sari number 1 price is 5450 with silk mark with free shipping. Moving to the next one, all are very colorful. This is sari number 2. It's of blue color. Just check the designs. It's a combination of this sari has been made with the gun spray technique, and 2 type of blue colors are used for this sari. Just check the entire look of the sari. It's a very pretty one. Price remains same, 5450. I am showing all the saris for festive purpose because puja is coming. This is the look. And from next month exhibition will start. I will mention you the dates also. This is sari number 2. Sari number 2, entire look, and along with the sari you are getting a blouse piece like this. This is the blouse piece. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number, requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Share with your friends, relatives and colleagues, and please put your feedback regarding the saris. How do you like the saris? Those who have taken about the quality of the saris, please put the feedback. Another one, these all are Tasar print with zari border, which makes the sari a rich look with the zari, but all are tested and you don't have to worry for the zari also. This is sari number 3. Just check the design, entire body of the sari. This is brown color, brown with yellow combination, entire look, palla, and here comes the blouse piece. Along with this sari you are getting a contrast blouse piece of brown color or chocolate color. Price is 5450. Requesting all of you to put some comments. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India, but COD is available only within Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, COD is not available right now. This is sari number 4. It's a rust color, orangish rust with beautiful block print. These all are hand block discharge print. Just check the color combination of the sari. Keeping in mind the festive collection, I'm showing you all are very bright and colorful saris. For booking, please take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Just look at the sari. It's amazing, very pretty. And here comes the blouse piece. This portion is the blouse piece of the sari. The printed portion is the blouse piece of the sari. Sari number 4. Moving to the next one. For booking, take the screenshot, and the booking number is 9330866384. This is sari number. Next sari. It's a combination of black and white. Just see. In zari border Tasar, we usually doesn't do anything. The palla remains only with the zari border, zari stripes. This is the body part. Just check the body part. Very traditional print, but it looks very pretty. Very smart one. It's a corporate look, black and white. Just see. This is the entire look of the sari. entire look of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is the entire look of the sari, and along with this sari, naturally you are getting a black color blouse piece with this border. Moving to the next one. This is a green color. This is green with discharge print. In this sari also gun spray technique has been used. Just have a look. With this type of view, you will understand the entire look of the sari. It's a combination of green, dark green and light green. Entire look of the sari with the small buta of fish motif. These all are fish motif. Price of the same, price remains same, 5450. This is the entire look of the sari. Zari border, printed tassel. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. As you know, these saris are very comfortable and very, it's at a own rich look. This is the blouse piece of the sari. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Moving to the next one. Requesting all of you to put some comments. Please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues, and subscribe my channel. You can follow my Facebook page and Instagram also. This is another one. Beautiful. It's a combination of maroon, reddish maroon. Palla part. I will show you the body. Just see. See the look of the sari. This is the entire look of the sari. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number, which is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Just check the sari, the entire look of the sari, wrapping view of the sari. This is the entire look, palla, and here comes the blouse piece. For this sari, you are getting a maroon color blouse piece. See, this is a contrast blouse piece along with the sari. Moving to the next one. All the cost of all the saris are same, 5450. All are with silk mark and definitely gachi tasar. Zari border, gachi tasar. Now moving to the next one. Another very bright combination, palla, turquoise blue. This portion is for palla. See the body part. It's a combination of magenta and turquoise blue. Here comes the color combination. Entire look, very rich look, and the price is same, 5450. All over the sari you are getting this type of beauty. Just see. And for this sari also, the most interesting part is the blouse piece. You are getting a printed blouse piece. Here comes the blouse piece, which is a printed one with a contrast color. Price remains same, 5450. Booking number 9330866384. Here comes another one. It's a combination of blue and green. All are very pretty, all are of new design. See, palla part. Here comes the body part. See, in this sari also you are getting gun spray technique, and the butas. Butas are very small one and it looks very traditional. This is the entire look of the sari. For booking, just see the entire look of the sari. For booking, take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Booking number is 9330866384. And along with this sari, you are getting a blouse piece of solid color. Moving to the next one. Next one is, this is the palla. Here comes the body. It's with mustard yellow with magenta, green and blue combination. Just see. I will show you in this way, which makes the look of the sari more beautiful. This is the entire look of the sari. For booking, please take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all of you to put some comments on my YouTube page and give the feedback of how do you like the saris. This is the entire look. Booking number is 9330866384. Here comes the palla, and in this sari also you are getting a blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece separately. See, this is the blouse piece of the sari. In this blouse piece also gun spray technique has been used. Price remains same, 5450. 5450 is the price. Now another very beautiful sari of orange color. This is orange, but in Tasar, as you know, it doesn't look very bright. Palla part, and all over the body you will get this type of print, rose motif with yellow and grey, which makes the sari more elegant. This is the entire look. This is the entire look of the sari with brown with a copper color border. Price remains same, 5450. And here comes the blouse piece. This is light brown color. Price remains 5450. Now I will show you one more sari, and it's really amazing. Just check the look of the sari, entire look of the sari. This portion is for the palla, and here comes the body. It's very beautiful one, very beautiful, very ornamental. I must say this is a very ornamental sari. Just check the look, entire look of the sari, and the price is same, 5450. 5450 is the price. Requesting all of you to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is the entire look, and definitely along with this sari you are getting a contrast blue color blouse piece. Booking number is 9330866384.